Welcome to Dubai's dazzling new identity, the booming heart of the Middle East and North Africa's $5 billion plus gaming playground. Dubai isn't dipping its toes into gaming, it's building the whole ecosystem, end to end, and positioning itself as the definitive launchpad for the gaming surge in the MENA region. Long known as a global trade hub, Dubai is now emerging as the Middle East's most sophisticated digital battleground. Fueled by progressive policies, cross-border investment, and cutting-edge infrastructure, gaming in Dubai has outgrown its niche roots. It's fast becoming a flagship industry. In November 2023, the Dubai Future Foundation launched the Dubai Programme for Gaming 2033, DPG 33, a 10-year initiative that aims to do what few ecosystems attempt: build a gaming ecosystem from policy to platform. The objectives are specific and bold. Position Dubai among the world's top 10 gaming hubs, generate 30,000 plus jobs in the sector, add over $1 billion to GDP by 2033. Since the program's launch, Dubai is home to more than 350 companies, with 260 of them categorized as specialized game developers, contributing overall to a global industry valued at $200 billion globally. The gaming industry has emerged as one of Dubai's most promising economic sectors in recent years, representing a 16.6% year-over-year increase. Dubai is not trying to replicate Silicon Valley. It's building a regionally contextual model, cross-platform, cross-border, and content-centric. Underscoring Dubai's future-forward approach, His Excellency Khalfan Belhoul, CEO of the Dubai Future Foundation, stated, "Gaming is no longer a side industry. It's a national economic priority. With strategic investments and a supportive innovation ecosystem, Dubai is shaping the future of game development and digital creativity. And as the ecosystem matures, it's not just vision that's being executed. It's traction. Startups, studios, and storytellers are already building here, many of them led by Indian founders who've made Dubai their base for global growth. Dubai isn't just calling, it's already home to some of India's most visionary gaming founders. For them, the appeal isn't abstract. Tax-free growth, seamless global access, and a direct gateway to the MENA region make Dubai a calculated move, not a distant dream. His Excellency Ahmed Al Khaja, CEO of Dubai Festivals and Retail Establishment (DFRE), emphasized that the 2025 edition of the Dubai Esports and Games Festival (DEF) has evolved beyond entertainment, positioning itself as a strategic pillar in the city's digital economy agenda. His statement reflects how DEF is being used to catalyze talent development, industry investment, and regional innovation at scale. Indian gaming founders aren't charting Dubai's waters alone. Investors are navigating alongside them. While global gaming funding has experienced fluctuations, Dubai's momentum remains strong. The Dubai Future District Fund, DFDF, has already supported over 190 portfolio companies and helped raise $1.65 billion in capital commitments by late 2024, including a sharp increase in gaming-related deal flow from South Asia. And this isn't just about capital. It's about collaboration. The Dubai Future District Fund, DFDF, and Dubai International Financial Center aren't merely cutting checks. They're partnering, co-creating monetization models, enabling Web3 integrations, and helping scale games for the MENA South Asia corridor. Dubai's esports ambition is no longer just policy. It's visible, playable, and scaling fast. Power League Gaming is building grassroots to pro formats across schools, universities, and global partnerships. Indian startup Dreamloop AI was recognized at Dubai's Eureka GCC for Max2D, a no-code mobile game builder that makes game development radically accessible. The Dubai Esports and Games Festival 2025 served as a major convergence point, bringing together over 45,000 attendees and 3.8 million gamers, along with Indian developers, esports athletes, and global investors. For women's esports conferences to educational gaming festivals, backed by Dubai DET, esports in Dubai isn't a side act. It's becoming part of the city's core identity. Gaming in Dubai is no longer a bet. It's a blueprint. And for Indian developers, investors, and IP builders, this isn't just a stage, it's the arena. The moment isn't in the future, it's now. Gaming in Dubai has moved to the center stage, powering cross-border innovation and unlocking billion-dollar potential.